bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Tapi bohong.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok?
A few moments later.
Tapi bohong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok?
A few moments later.
I am Angelina Prativi from Accounting Class 25A. In this presentation, I will explain business. Introduction. Business is a vital activity in economic life. Drug, business, goods, and service can be processed and distributed to the public. Business also plays a role in creating jobs and improving public welfare. Definition of business. Business is an economic activity carried out by individuals or organizations to produce and sell goods or services to consumers with the aim of making a profit. Characteristics of business activities. 1. Producing or providing goods and services. 2. Aiming to make a profit. 3. Involving production and distribution activities. 4. Involving business risk. 5. Carried out continuously. Business objectives. 1. Gaining profits. 2. Meeting customer needs. 3. Developing long-term business. 4. Creating jobs. 5. Providing added value to the community. Element in business. 1. Capital. 2. Human resource. 3. Products or service. 4. Customer or markets. 5. Marketing strategies. Types of business. In general, business can be divided into several types, including service business, trading business, manufacturing business, digital business. Service business. Service business are business that offer service to consumers. Express include salons, transportation service, graphic design service, and consulting service. Trading business. A trading business is a business that buys goods from producers and then resell them to consumers. Express include clothing stores, mini markets, online stores, and traditional markets. Manufacturing business. Manufacturing business are those that process raw materials into finished products. Examples include food factories, clothing factories, shoe factories, and the electronics industry. The role of business in the business plays a vital role in the economy, including providing goods and services, creating jobs, increasing community income, driving economic growth. Challenge in business. 1. First, business competition. 2. Technological change. 3. Changing consumer needs. 4. Risk of loss. 5. Unstable economic condition. Benefits of business for society. Business provides various benefits such as 1. Meeting community needs. 2. Creating job opportunities. 3. Improving economic well-being. 4. Supporting regional economic development. Conclusion. Business is a vital economic activity in society. Besides aiming to generate profit, business also plays a role in meeting social needs and supporting economic growth. Oke, thank you for your attention. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. See you.
Bye bye.